How to access Instagram and Facebook stories in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can access Instagram and Facebook stories in Meta Business Suite. Now, if you're wondering if this is possible, my question is yes. Creating stories on Meta Business Suite is a great way to engage your audience on both Facebook and Instagram. And the first step is to open your Meta Business Suite on your desktop, just like I have done here. Then the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options, which includes home, notifications, inbox, content, planner, ads, insight. Just go ahead and click on content. After clicking on content, you'll be brought to the content page where you would see all of your posts here. Alright, and then once you can see all of your posts here, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see the option create post. By the time you see the option create post, the next step is to click on this drop down arrow. After clicking on that, you can see create story. So just go ahead and click on it since we are trying to access Facebook and Instagram stories or Meta Business Suite. So after clicking on create story, you'll be taken to the create story page. Now, the next thing to do is to work with the share to option. All right. So here now, just go ahead and click on this drop down arrow. If you want to access your Facebook and Instagram stories, you must have connected your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite. I have not done that. That is why it's asking me to connect. But if you have, after ticking the Facebook, ensure you also tick the Instagram, all right? And then once both of them has been ticked, you can now go ahead and post your stories. So you can decide to add photo or a video or whatever, and then you can decide to either share it now or share it later. Or after uploading or dragging your photos and video here, let's, for example, I clicked on add photo, and then I'm just going to locate some of my pictures now. And then, for example, if you want to upload this, I click on open, then you wait for it to be uploaded. So once it has been uploaded, you can just go ahead and click on share. All right, and then the story will be published to both your Facebook and your Instagram, such that you can easily access both the story by coming to your Meta Business Suite account. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.